welcome to yet another session of our lessons. Mathematics, Nicholus is my name. Now, this is the second session and we are still looking at corrections for the paper I sent MTC1. For today, let's start from question number 11. If time allows, we shall move to question number 20 and others will keep coming. Now, question number 11 reads that work out 8 hours and 30 minutes minus 4 hours and 40 minutes. The moment you hear of hours and minutes, there is something that must come to your mind. And what's that? You must know that 1 hour has 60 minutes, right? And 60 minutes make 1 hour. Now let's start. We subtract starting with the minutes. You see here we have 30 minutes, take away 40 minutes. Which is difficult. How do we make it possible? We regroup 1 hour from this, from 8. We remove 1 hour from here and we remain with 7 hours. We now bring that 1 hour to the side of minutes. And I say 1 hour has 60 minutes. We now get the 1 hour have removed from here. Those are 60 minutes plus the 30 minutes that we already have here. What do we get? We get 90 minutes. Now, we remove the 30, we are now having 90 minutes. So we get 90 minus 40. And this one gives us 50, right? Yes. So we write here 50. We now move to the side of hours. We now have 7 hours, take away 4 hours. 7 take away 4, we get 3. And we write here 3. And now our answer is 3 hours and 50 minutes. We go ahead to number 2. Question number 2 reads, find the value of angle A. This is the figure. We have a right angle. The outer lines form a right angle. You can even see the symbol for right angle. Meaning that the outer lines are forming an angle of 90 degrees. And inside here we have 2 different angles. This simply indicates that when you add these 2 angles inside the right angle, they should give us 90 degrees. And that's what's going to help us get value of A. So we say that angle M plus this one of 56 degrees should give us 90 degrees. Why am I using 90? Because this is a right angle. These 2 small angles add up to 90 degrees. Let's go ahead. So here to get the value of M, we need to do away with 56 degrees. How? We subtract 56 degrees from either side. And here we shall have M plus 56 degrees, subtract 56 degrees here, is equal to 90 degrees and also subtract 56 degrees. I have subtracted 56 degrees from both sides. 56 minus 56, I get a 0. So I remain with only A, which is equal to, what's 90? Take away 56. If I have some simple part of work here, 90. The answer. Now, 90 take away 56, we get 34 degrees. And that's the value of underline. Properly with double lines from margin to margin. Good. Find the value of, find the GCF of 8 and 12. GCF, you have to remember that it stands for greatest common factor. In other words, the largest or biggest common factor of those 2 numbers. I'm going to work this out using 2 different methods. The first one, we can list the factors of each number there. Then we identify the common ones. Thereafter, we spot the greatest common one. Let's start. We start with factors of 8. Factors of 8 here, we mean the numbers that can divide 8 without giving a remainder, of course. Numbers that can divide 8, we have them as, the first one is 1, followed by 2, 3 cannot, so we go to 4, and finally 8. Those are the factors of 8. We also list factors of 12, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Good. We now identify the common factors. The common factors are, we have here 1, we also have 2, and 4 in both sets. Those are the common factors for 8 and 12. Finally, we now identify the greatest common factor, and here it is 4. So the greatest common factor of 8 and 12 is 4. We underline our answer. I promise that I will work this out in 2 different ways. This is the first way. Let's have the second method for the same question. We are finding the GCF of 8 and 12. And here I'm going to use the prime factorization method. I'm going to prime factorize 8 and 12 using common factors. When looking for GCF, you use common factors. Let's start. Now, to prime factorize is dividing numbers using prime numbers. And the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. Now let's prime factorize. I have here my lines. I'm prime factorizing 8 and 12. But remember, since I'm looking for the greatest common factor, I only use common factors. Only those that can divide both numbers. And to start with is 2. 2 can divide both 8 and 12. So I divide here by 2. 8 divided by 2, we get 4. 12 divided by 2, we get 6. I go ahead and still look for a common factor for 4 and 6. Still it is 2. I divide here by 2 to get 2. Here divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, you get 3. 2 and 3 don't have a common factor. You agree with me? Yes. So we end there. I end there. And I now get my GCF as I get the product of the factors I have used, and this will be 2 times 2, 2 times 2. Finally, our greatest common factor is equal to 4. Got it? Yes. We underline as well. Yes. Question 14. It reads, express 4,000 grams to kilograms. Yes. The moment you hear of grams and kilograms, what comes to your mind? How many grams make a kilogram? And how many grams are in 1 kilogram? Yes. To remember that, you know our sentence, King Henry's daughter Grace dances Congolese music. Yeah, my learners, you know that. That sentence reminds us of these units for measuring the weight, for measuring weight or mass. Now, we write them kilograms, decagrams, grams, decigrams, centigrams, and milligrams. The sentence was, King Henry's daughter dances King Henry's daughter Grace dances Congolese music. It gives you a quick way of remembering the order of those units. Now we are changing from grams to kilograms. From grams to kilograms. Now let's see how many grams make 1 kilogram. We put 1 here on kilograms, then write zeros until we reach grams. This one shows that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. But since we are moving from grams to kilograms, let me state it starting with grams. So we shall write that 1,000 grams are equal to 1 kilogram. 1,000 grams make 1 kilogram. How about 1 gram? Do you think it will have more kilograms or less? Of course less. So it will have only 1 out of 1,000 of a kilogram. Now what are we changing? We are changing 4,000 grams. So we bring our 4,000 grams. Do you think 4,000 grams will have more kilograms than 1 gram? Oh yeah, yes. So to get the kilograms in 4,000 grams, we multiply 1 out of 1,000 times 4,000. And what we get here will be kilograms. Reduce the zeros down and those up. Yes, 1 0 down, 1 0 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up. What do we have now? 1 times 4 kilograms. So the answer is simply 4 kilograms. Finally, 4,000 grams are equal to 4 kilograms. Yes, that's the answer for number 14. We are line and move on. We go ahead. Once I finish number 15, reads, Chinene scored the following marks in a series of mathematics tests: 80, 40, 30, 50, 70, 60, and 40. Find the median score. Now here the keyword is median. We need to understand what median is. Median simply refers to the middle item in a list of things arranged in order. It's very important to first arrange the items in their order, preferably ascending order, and identify which one is in the middle. Now, step 1 is to arrange the scores Chinene got in their order. Here they are mixed up from 80 to 40 to 30 to 50. We need to arrange them in order, and let's arrange in ascending order. That is, starting with the smallest. Let's arrange. The smallest is 30, followed by 40. There is another 40. We now go to 50. We have 60, 70, and finally 80. Count through to ascertain whether you have captured all. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How about in the question? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not sure I have them all. We now want to get the middle item. What score is in the middle? How do I get that? I will keep pairing 2 from either side and see what will remain in the middle. 1 from here goes with 1 on the other end. So 30 is paired with 80. 40 pairs with 70. This 40 pairs with the 60. I remain with 50 in the middle. So straight away, the median score is 50. You underline. But how about if we had 2 values in the middle? If you pair up and remain with the 2 values in the middle, will you pair them up and remain with 0? No. If you happen to get 2 values in the middle, you add them and divide their sum by 2. That's when you will get the median. Okay? Yes. Let's move to question number 16. It reads, a man had 1,000 shillings. He gave away 2 out of 5 of it to his wife. How much money did he give to his wife? Now, here it tells us that we want to find the money he gave to the wife. He had 1,000 shillings and he gave away. We have been given a fraction that he gave away. So we say he gave away. The question says he gave away 2/5, 2 out of 5 of the money he had, which is 1,000 shillings. Now you know in body mass, remember that of changes to multiplication. So here we shall have 2 out of 5 times 1,000 shillings. And we can divide here 1,000 by 5. Divide here by 5, we get 1. 1,000 divided by 5, we get 200. So here we have 2 times 200 shillings. What do you get? 400, right? So he gave 400 shillings to his wife. And that's our answer. Question reads, work out 3 plus 3 equals dash mod 5. Now you have to remember one thing, that modulus, finite and base systems use digits that are less than that mod or that finite or that base. Now here in mod 5 we have to remember that we use digits from 0 to 4. If you add and get a number which is greater or equal to the mod, then you have to change that number back. Now I'm going to do this in 2 ways. 1, we straight away add 3 plus 3 and we get 6. But 6 is not used in mod 5. What do? We get our 6 and divide it by 5. What do you get? I'm using 5 because it's the mod. You divide the big number you've got here by the mod that you have. And here 6 divided by 5, you get 1, remainder 1. And in this case, the remainder is the answer. We are taking our remainder as the answer, filled there. Be very keen. Don't write there this one. I will cross it. Okay? Let's go to method 2. With method 2, let me first underline that. With method 2 is what we call using a die. We are going to use a die to work out that. Now with our die is going to have digits used in mod 5. Let's first list them. We say digits used in mod 5. Sorry for that. Are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these are the digits we are going to have in our die. So we draw our circle. And place these numbers. I have one there. Try so that the spaces are equal. So we start with a 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we have 3 plus 3. The starting point is 0. You have to remember we start from 0 and move 3 steps clockwise. We count 3 steps and see where we're going to end. 1, 2, 3. We're going to end here. So we draw a curve up to there. We are now at this point. What do? We add 3 steps. We again move 3 steps, still clockwise because it is positive. We move from here. 1, 2, 3. Where shall we end? Here. Again we draw. And this is where we are ending. So our answer is still 1. Therefore say that 3 plus 3 is equal to 1 mod 5. Clear? Yes, both the same answer, and that's 1. Number 18 reads, given that P equals vowels, find number of elements in set P. Now, number of elements in set P are not the ones, the members are not the one things you're seeing there. Inside set P, we have a descriptive word, a word describing what exactly are the members of set P. So step number 1 is to identify what has been described for you. It says vowels. I hope you remember that P1, P1, P2 vowels. Remember them? I think even nursery, yeah. The vowels are A, E, O, and A. Yes. From here, we now count them and state their numbers. So we say number of elements in set P equals, let's count together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. You don't have to put elements again because the word elements is embedded in this statement. That's our answer. Let's underline. And we wait until very fast. Given that y is equal to 3, find the value of y squared plus 4. Now our expression is y squared plus 4. And the question gave us, in the question we are given the value of y, which is 3. We are going to substitute. But before you substitute, you first expand your expression. If you have any part which needs to be expanded, like y squared, expand it first. Y squared means y times y. Then you will add that 4. Let's now substitute together. The value of y is 3. So, wherever we have y, we shall move it and write there 3. We remove this y and replace it with 3 times. We also remove this y and still put its value, which is 3. Then plus 4. You remember what it means? Multiplication comes before addition. So we first multiply. 3 times 3, what we get? 9. Plus 4. Finally, our answer is 30. Correct? Yes. Summarizing, this is going to be our last question for this session. Now, it reads, draw line XY equals 6.5 centimeters. I'm not going to draw a line of that exact length, but I'm going to guide you to how draw exactly that. Now, you don't have to fidget with your ruler and draw a line exactly 6.5 centimeters. No. Just get your ruler and a sharp pencil and draw a line long enough. Don't measure the 6.5 centimeters straight away, no. After drawing your long line like that, establish point X. Put a point where you want point X to be. Let's say I want my point X to be here. So you measure 6.5 centimeters from this point. What do? You get your pair of compasses, place it onto your ruler and measure 6.5 centimeters. Place the compass of your place the needle of your compass at 0 on your ruler and open the pencil to touch 6.5 centimeters. Mine, I'm going to use this from 0 to 6.5. It's too far, but you've understood. 6.5 centimeters. Here are my 6.5 centimeters. Yeah, it's very wide. I just want you to get the concept. Now, place your needle at point X and mark off where the compass ends. For the chalkboard, I've drawn a bigger one for you to be able to see. And where you mark, that's where your point Y is. And now, the length between X and Y will be 6.5 centimeters. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I promise others to come. Remember to like and subscribe. Goodbye.